Okay guys, I'm at Jammer 7051515. He's saying if I send him a raccoon plushie, he'll send me a tail warmer. So let's see if this is gonna be true. Okay, I'm probably gonna get scammed, but I don't know. Most likely gonna get scammed. Let's see what he does. We're buddies, so he claims that he never scams, but of course everybody scams once in a lifetime. See, I know this. I said I know this is a scam. He said no. He said I never scam. Yeah, and then he sent. Okay, he sent a stupid crap. And he said funny plushie. Okay, well he totally just scammed me. I was supposed to get a tail warmer, but you scammed. I don't care. Type that. You are a not truthful person. No. Stop. Stop. Can't type that. I just got scammed. We're still buddies. Hopefully I can remember his username so I can report him. Once again, it's Jammer 701511515. Okay. Yeah. I just got scammed, so hopefully he'll give it back. Never know. Now he's saying, fine, then no tail. You what's claw and paw? About to figure out. There it is. I'm gonna stay in his den. I know it's a scam when I seen it, and I just knew that it was a scam. So he said, okay, one more thing, and I want, okay, I want, well, I will show you. Okay, wait, what? I bet you he's gonna unfriend me then lock his den. What are you trying to do? I bet you. Okay, come on. Okay, so hopefully whatever he wants, I have about 1,000 gems. I don't think that'll be enough. Blue diamond earrings. Oh, I want that. This is where they have like the tail warmers. Diamond necklace. Hey, Mama. Shush. That's $3,000. I can't pay for that. Does he expect me to get a job? I don't have that. Okay, I know this is getting boring for y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and find some diamond earrings, get scammed, yeah. Okay, bye.